this is Unit 6, Formative 1, Day 3. Is it a function? There's two ways to tell if something's a function. The first way is if the x values repeat. So, oops. Okay, if it's a function, x values cannot repeat. Okay, so if we had a set of points, 1, 3, okay, 2, 4, negative 1, 3, and negative 2, negative 4. Okay, that is a function because my x values do not repeat. Okay? The other way is called a vertical line test. Now, a vertical line test is done on an xy axis. Okay, and the vertical line test basically says if I draw a vertical line, it can only go through one point. Okay, we'll do some examples. All right, first one, given the relation, determine whether it's a function. Okay, so this is a list, so we want to look at the x values, negative 2, 0, 1, and 1. Here, the x values repeat, so this is not a function. Okay, because x values repeat. Okay, you are going to have to give a reason. So there's really basically two reasons. The x values are repeating or the vertical line test. All right. Okay, next one. So represent the data in a coordinate plane. Is it a function? So now I have to plot these points. All right, negative 2, 0, negative 1, 2, 0, 4, 2, 0, and 2, 2. Okay. All right, so I'm going to draw vertical lines that go through these points. All right, so we're going to see if the vertical lines... Okay, that vertical line went through one point, so that's good. This vertical line went through one point, and that one went through 2 points. Well, if I would have drawn it straight. So this right here is not a function. Okay, because of the vertical line test. We can abbreviate that VLT. Next one, is the graph of the relation a function? So again, we're going to do some vertical line test. Okay, so far so good. Okay, every vertical line only went through one point. So this is a function. And we're done with that one. There's no reason. Okay, the only time you have to give a reason if it's not a function. Next one's a mapping. So on the mapping, you have to be careful because it's a little harder to see. So this negative 9, I'm going to go ahead and write them in points. You don't have to, but I'm going to go ahead and write them in points. This negative 9 goes with the negative 1. Okay, this one right here. This 0 goes with the negative 1. And then if you notice, there's another line going through the 0. So this 0 goes with 2. Okay, right now you can see my x value repeated, so this is not a function because x value repeats. Okay. All right, that's it. You guys have a great day. That's a function.